Now, carnivore resets more than your metabolism. It resets your hunger signals. So keep it simple. Eat when you're hungry, truly hungry, not bored, anxious, or just because it's noon. Stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Be patient. That task takes practice. Don't fear eating 2 big meals and being done for the day. That's often how natural carnivore rhythm works. You're learning to trust your body again, and it's smarter than any macro tracker ever built, although that's a powerful tool for many in the beginning versus guessing or assuming. If you need inspiration for meals and hitting macros, here's how a day might look for you. Meal 1, ribeye with egg yolks and butter. Yes, you can eat the whole egg. Meal 2, sardines with sugar-free mayo or salmon with tallow and bone broth. Not my favorite, but if you like those sardines, go for it. They're great for you, and it checks a lot of boxes. For snacks, you can include boiled eggs, beef liver if you like it, or bacon. Aim for at least 70% of your calories from fat if you're healing hormones. 80% is even better. Use a tracker like the Chronometer temporarily if you need help seeing where your macros fall. Don't become obsessed. It's a tool, not a lifestyle. Metabolic reset days are amazing if you've been overthinking, oversnacking, or feeling stalled. A metabolic reset day is one of only fatty meat, water, and electrolytes, and early bedtime. It's not fasting, it's simplifying. It gives your body a break from decision fatigue, lets your insulin reset, and reignites fat burning. Now moving on to what to actually track. Here's the kicker. The scale is often the last place that you'll see results. I know it's frustrating. So let's toss that bathroom scale into the lake and track what really matters, especially in the first 6 to 8 weeks. These include sleep quality, mood stability, energy levels, hot flashes. You'll notice them vanish or at least significantly reduce. Blood sugar, if you're tracking it, cravings, mental clarity, joint pain. Weight loss that lasts comes from healing the system that caused weight gain in the first place. And that, my friend, is what carnivore is really all about. So to wrap up, carnivore isn't broken, but our understanding of it often is. If you've been struggling, please know this. You're not doing it wrong because you're too old or too broken. You probably just need more support, more fat, more patience, and a little bit less fear. Healing is not linear, but it is possible, especially for women over 50 who have spent years trying everything else. This isn't a quick fix, I'll be honest. It's a long game, but it's one worth playing. Hey, if this hit home, leave a comment below.